In this video, I will show you how to join your work using Mattress Stitch. Mattress Stitch is often used because it creates an invisible seam. To start, we go into the bottom of the edge stitches on both pieces of your work. And then starting one stitch in from your side seam, we'll insert our needle, picking up the side stitches, and we'll do the same on the other side of the work. We insert our needle where our yarn came out, same on the other side, and pull to tighten. Continue repeating this. And pull to tighten every few stitches. When you reach the end of your work, you have to go into the top two stitches and tighten.